Hey guys, and happy Sunday. On tonight's video, we're going to talk about all these, all of my new Blue Magic hair products. I have 6 of them, and we're going to talk about which ones I have. So guys, I came up with this wonderful idea one day. I said I'm just going to go to the beauty supply house and I'm just going to buy a few Blue Magic products. And I ended up buying 6. And all 6 of them together cost $24. That's right. This good old cheap stuff only costs $24. And I'm pretty excited. So some of you guys may not like some of them because of the ingredients. And if you don't like it, that's okay. You don't have to get this. I'm just sharing what I bought. And hopefully one day I can do a review on them. So let's get started so we can see which ones I have. So let's start with this one. I have the Petroleum Jelly Skin Protected. It's called White Rose. It's all purpose and it's 100% pure. Of course, you guys, some of you guys don't like petroleum. It doesn't have a smell or anything. It costs $3.99. I think this is the most expensive one. And I want to talk to you guys about mineral oil and petroleum right quick. A lot of people be saying, well, you're not supposed to put that in your hair because it's not good for you. I don't use petroleum jelly. I don't, But you know what, you guys, if you are a makeup wearer and you use skin products, chances are those products have this ingredient in it. So you say you don't use it, but you probably do use it, you just don't know yet. This one is also good for skin and hair. Here goes. I used to use this one. This is the Blue Magic Originals Super Sure Grow. I used to use this one a long time ago. This is just a regular little hair grease, hair and scalp conditioner for all natural styles. It has shea butter, jojoba oil, Japanese green tea leaves in it too. And this smell kind of like remind me of Indian hemp. Just a tinge lighter, but it smells just like Indian hemp. Now here goes one. This is called Blue Magic Argan Oil, and it's a herbal complex leave-in conditioner, and it's hydrating, and it's a hydrating formula, and it has something else too, restores shine and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what this one looks like. Let's look at the inside. I forgot to tell you how much the other one costs, but this one costs $3.49, and it has a light lilac colored wow, it's a lilac colored leave-in conditioner, and this one is $3.49, and the Super Sure Grow is $3.79. Now I used to use this when I first started my hair journey. This is a leave-in conditioner, and I used to like it. I used to like it a lot rather, and I just stopped using it because I just chose to use other stuff. No particular reason. But this is the Blue Magic Argan Oil Mango and Lime leave-in conditioner. And it restores hair moisture and all that other good stuff. They say it's new and improved, and I can tell it does look a little different. Look like it's a little bit more whipped. This one is $3.49, and it smells so good. If you're not really into fruity, lemony smells, you might not want to get this. But this used to be so watery. Oh, it's not as watery as it used to be. That's what the new improvement is. It's not as watery as it used to be. I have another petroleum one, Petroleum Jelly. It's good for hair, skin, and scalp. This is new. I've never seen this one before either. It has aloe vera and vitamin E in it, and this one costs $3.49. This has a very very faint light smell. You really can't smell it, but it almost smells like a tinge of rose. So yeah, this is good for hair, skin, and scalp. So if you're a true greasy baby, you can grease yourself from head to toe with this one. Yeah. And last but not least, I have the Blue Magic Tea Tree Oil one. This is the anti-breakage protein complex. It's a leave-in styling conditioner. It's non-greasy, and it's great for, it soothes dry scalp. So you know, tea tree oil is like a little tingly, cool feeling, and this is great to soothe your dry, itchy scalp. One thing I want to say about this one, it does have protein in it because it says it right here. Protein complex, anti-break. So, you know, I told you guys before, if you use a protein treatment, you don't want to double up on other proteins. So if I do a protein treatment, I probably won't use this. I really don't need this anyway. I meant to avoid getting any protein treated leave-in conditioners, but I accidentally got it anyway. But it's good for, so like if you don't want to do a protein treatment, you can use this instead as a replacement. I don't know how often you should use it, because I've never had this formula before. And yeah, so we're going to see how this works. This one costs $3.69, and it's a cool blue. Ooh, this smells good, guys. This smells good. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you my little Blue Magic haul. My Blue Magic, I should call it my Blue Magic Greasy Baby haul. And yeah, so I can't wait to try these out. I'll use these in the future so we can see how they work. Leave-in conditioners usually work like leave-in conditioners, but that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you like this video, and if you are a greasy baby, please click this, please click the thumbs button up. And if you're not a greasy baby, please click this video up. But if you want to be a greasy baby and you just scared to be one, just go on and click the video up anyway. Subscribe and comment and all kind of stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.